what's up, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating this look right here using only Indian makeup brands, and I'm super excited to be playing with Indian makeup products because these days there are so many good Indian brands out there which have amazing Indian makeup products, and some of these products are my absolute all-time favorites. As an Indian, especially in this current scenario, try to use more of Indian makeup brands, and not just makeup but skincare, hair care, and in general Indian products more than imported products, because when you use more Indian products, you're actually generating revenue for these Indian brands. So you're generating revenue for your own country, and right now this is what our country needs. Try to avoid using imported products as much as possible and promote use and try to create more of Indian products. So keeping that aspect in mind, let's quickly begin with the tutorial of this look. To start off, I'm gonna begin with hydrating my skin, and for that I'm using this Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum. This contains vitamin C and turmeric, which are amazing for radiant skin. So I'm just gonna need that much of it, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. To buy any of these serums, you can use my coupon code, which is RIA2020 on Mamaearth's website to achieve a 20% off, or you can shop their products from Amazon and Nykaa. The serum is extremely lightweight and it gets absorbed into your skin within seconds, and as you can see, it's provided a nice glow on my face. So this is amazing to use under your foundation. It provides an instant glow, or you can use it on a daily basis, like under your moisturizer, during the night time, or just at any hour. It gives you a nice glow, and I absolutely love the consistency of this. Mamaearth also has two other serums. So this one is their Skin Plump Face Serum. This is meant for ageless skin. It contains hyaluronic acid and rosehip, which are both anti-aging ingredients. Hyaluronic acid helps to provide moisture to your skin. It helps to retain the moisture, and rosehip oil, as we all know, works on fine lines, wrinkles, and all of those signs of aging. So if you are like 25 or 30 and above, then this is an amazing serum that you can try out. And another serum that I absolutely love by Mamaearth is this Skin Correct Serum. The main ingredients of this are niacinamide and ginger extract. Both help to fade away and remove acne marks and scars. So if you have acne prone skin like I do, then you can use this on a daily basis as a moisturizer under your makeup or before bedtime. This works really well on acne marks, but you have to use it like continuously to see visible results. The best part is that Mamaearth is not just an Indian brand, but they also manufacture their products in India. So all of their products are made in India. #vocal for local. Also, it is a cruelty-free brand, officially certified by PETA as cruelty-free, and they do not use harmful chemicals like parabens, silicone, mineral oil, etc. in their products, but their products contain a lot of natural ingredients. So Mamaearth is an amazing brand if you're looking for good skincare and hair care products. Now moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using this PAC HD Liquid Foundation, and I'm in the shade 2.3. This is a full coverage foundation, and they have shades for everyone. So as you can see, the foundation has covered up everything on my face. The XL size pimple that I had is almost invisible now. So this is a full coverage foundation. It looks beautiful on the skin, and it does oxidize a little bit, so you want to go one shade lighter with your foundation because it's gonna like settle down on your skin and match your skin tone. For concealer, I'm using this Sugar Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. This is in the shade 12, and I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes and also on my lid. I don't have very prominent dark circles, so a tiny amount of the concealer just works fine for me. Also, I don't really like using the concealer to highlight the high points of my face. I'm just not a highlighter person that way. I love using powder highlighters and cream highlighters, but I don't like to use concealer as a highlighter. Set all of that makeup in place, I'm using this Nykaa Skin Genius Compact Powder. This is in the shade 02 Rose Beige. I absolutely love this powder. It acts like a powder foundation because it's got a lot of coverage. So it's not just going to help to set your makeup in place, but also provide a little extra coverage. And it's extremely matte, you guys. It's amazing for oily skin. But the formulation of this is so softly milled that it doesn't really look powdery or cakey on the face. I absolutely love this compact powder, and as you can see, I've hit pan on this one. Moving on to eyebrows, this is probably the best drugstore eyebrow product out there. This is a PAC Super Brow Eyebrow Cream. I'm in the shade 04 Burnt Umber. So this is different from eyebrow pomades. It's an eyebrow cream. It is extremely creamy, as you can see, and you only require the tiniest amount of this. It is super duper pigmented, so you want to make sure that you go very light handed, otherwise you're just gonna mess up your eyebrows. However, this is the quickest eyebrow product that you can use, and it is so pigmented. So as you can see, it's given me like dark bushy eyebrows in no time. I usually take like around 15 to 20 minutes when I use like eyebrow pomades or eyebrow pencils or even powders, but with this cream it just takes like 5 minutes and I have the perfect eyebrows. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this PAC The Ultimate Box Eyeshadow Palette, and this is in the shade Electric. It's got such beautiful colors. I'll be using that light pink shade as my transition color first. I'm using the same color on my bottom lash line as well. I'm using that bright pink color and applying it to the outer corners of my eyes. And then I'm just going to blend both of the colors together. I'm using the same bright pink color with a detailed brush on my lower lash line, and I'm applying it very close to my lashes. Next I'm going to use that beautiful teal blue color and apply it right on my lid. Next I'm going to use that purple color and apply it in between the blue and the pink to create a shaded effect. And finally I'm using a mixture of the light pink and the bright pink color and blending everything out together. For lashes, I'm using these Nykaa Lash Talk OTT lashes. These are very dramatic lashes. I just ordered these lashes yesterday and they come with a glue. However, I've heard like really bad things about the glue, so I'm not going to use that. But I'm going to be using this PAC Lash Fixer instead. So I'm back with applying lashes and I think they look so pretty. These are such inexpensive lashes. They only retail for 200 rupees, and look at the amount of drama that they've added to my eyes. I think they look so pretty. They've elongated my eyes so well and I just love the way the look turned out. So moving on to bringing all of the color back to my face, I'm going to be using this Nykaa Contour and Conquer Duo in the shade Sizzle Chisel 01. I'll be using the contour side of it to just slightly contour my cheeks and also my forehead. Using the tiniest amount of it on my nose. I just love how subtle the contour palette is. It gives your face a lot of definition, but it doesn't really look harsh at the same time. So moving on to blush, I'm going to be using this ColourPop Cheek Illusion blush. This is in the shade Coral Craving 09. It is such a beautiful warm peach color. And it applies like butter, you guys. It is very finely milled. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this Sugar Contour de Force Mini Highlighter. This is in the shade 01 Champagne Champion. And just look at how beautiful the highlighter is. This is such an underrated makeup product, you guys. Sugar has some amazing makeup products. Especially this highlighter. It is so reflective. It is so pigmented. Just look at that. Can you see how pretty that is? I'm using the same highlight in the inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone. Can you see what a game changer this highlighter is? It's added so much of glam on my face and it is so affordable. It only retails for 399 rupees and Sugar is one of the best Indian brands in the market. So I highly recommend you check out this highlighter. It is bomb. It is bomb. Lastly, moving on to lipstick, I'm going to be using one of my favorite lipsticks. This is Lakme 95 Weightless Mousse in the shade Blush Velvet. So that's the finished look, you guys. I love how the look turned out. I love how colorful and playful the eyes are, and the lipstick has just brought the entire look together. I feel like the lipstick makes the eyes pop out even more because of how soft and nude it is, and the highlighter has just added so much of glam to the look. I just absolutely love the way the entire look turned out. And can you believe it? I only used Indian makeup brands. There are so many good Indian makeup brands out there in the market these days with so many good products, and I used some of my favorite products today. So if you enjoyed watching this makeup look and if you want me to create more makeup looks using Indian products or made in India products, then do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to play with more Indian makeup. Also, if you like this makeup look, then do hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram where you can recreate this makeup look and tag me, and I shall post it on my Instagram story. And yeah, that's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.